Hey y'all, and happy Wednesday. Today, 8 years ago, I became a mom of 2. She was born at 4:20 in the afternoon. I just knew that it was time to have her because my body just felt like hoo hoo hoo, like And here she came into this world. Today she's 8. And yeah, so I'm gonna pick up her cupcakes today, and her cake. I am also going to treat her to her favorite spot for dinner, which is Noodles Company. And yeah, the birthday girl's here. Good morning.
Good morning.
So the birthday girl's here?
Yeah.
Let me see your outfit for today. Girl, you look good.
Rainbow.
How old are you today?
8.
You're 8? Wow.
8.
So later your cupcakes will go here. Well, no, your cupcakes will go to school. But your cake, I got you a cake too, will go here. And then we'll have our Noodles and Company. What do you like to get from Noodles and Company?
I like to get the noodles with the chocolate milk and the broccoli.
Oh man, okay. So she likes to get the butter noodles, bless you, Kim.
And I like to get the like stuff.
The little applesauce and oh, the Parmesan cheese.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cheese.
So good.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. So work. In the middle of work, I'll go get those cupcakes and then we'll get the cake. And here's Kim. I gotta do my hair, y'all. So, yeah, I gotta do my hair. I'm fixing me a cup of coffee right now. Right now. Today's gonna be a day. Today's gonna be a day. Let me get ready to put some lotion on, put my shoes on, and get rolling here. They came in a pack. Let's see.
You look funny.
It's my daughter's birthday. It's my daughter's birthday. It's her birthday. Do, 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 do. Cam's like, nope, nope, not gonna do it. I originally bought these for her to take to school, but because there wasn't like any boy ones, I was just like, forget it, we'll just keep them here and she can use them here and stuff like that. Cam done filled the ice tray. Whoop, whoop. Got a little bit of water on the floor, but he filled the ice tray up, y'all. So, shoot, if you're gonna use the ice, fill it back up. All right, y'all, here go my coffee. It is that time. Got to have some. So, I do have the pumpkin spice. This is the seasonal edition. Just need to add some sugar, and then I'm gonna add my whipped topping. Okay, I'm definitely now in the car, and I'm heading up to Food Lion. Literally, I leave work, and then Food Lion is right up here on the right. I just dropped Cam off at the bus stop, heading back to work to get some things done for a little while. I have like a bunch of assessments for math that I have to do. It's called VKRP. It's like a Virginia kindergarten readiness program, and I just have to like test the kids on like patterns and counting as well as like shapes, and then numbering order. This is something that I have to do every fall, and then I have to do it again in the spring. So I have everything laid out this morning when I get back to get started, and I'm hoping that I can get the other 4 kids done, because what I mean by that is, yes, we have hired that 3rd kindergarten teacher, so amen, we can sit back and kind of have some type of relief. When they actually do leave, I will have 19 to 20 kiddos. So it makes it a little bit better, so I'm not worried about 26 plus kids, and we're trying to keep it easy for the 3rd kindergarten teacher, so that's the reason why we have so many. But anyways, I need to get that done hopefully soon, and then kind of like go from there. So I'll see you guys when I pick the camera back up to head to Food Line.
Life's funny like that. You lose one thing, get another one back. You thought you knew, but it wasn't.
Okay, so I got the cupcakes, but there was something wrong with the printer or whatever. But my whole thing is, like, if there was something wrong, don't you think you would have called me when you first figured it out? You know, that something was wrong with it. So that way I could have told you on the phone that clearly something was wrong, and that we would be able to fix it or change it before I came over here. So luckily, like, Food Line's only 2-3 minutes from my job, driving wise, but at the same time, like, I was hoping that it would be ready so that I could take it with me and I didn't have to worry about coming back. So Sky's dinner plans is Noodles Company. So I'm trying to put the order in now so that it will be ready around 3 o'clock. I do plan on leaving as soon as we get rid of all the kiddos today. She has girls on the run, so she'll be at after school until 4, and then we will go home and have our birthday celebrations. Okay, y'all, I am off. I'm headed out to go pick up my Noodles Company order, just because that is out further. And then when I come back, I'm gonna swing over to the house. If I have time, I'll swing up to Food Line and then swing home to grab Cam and put the cake in the house, just so that everything is ready and set up before I have to come back and grab her. So for Noodles Company, I'll show you guys. Like I said, Noodles Company is like something that is her favorite because she likes the butter noodles, and so I honored that request. That's just something that we do on birthdays, whatever you want to eat, that's what we do. All right, so here was my order. I got cheesy bread, pot stickers, buttered noodles, both with broccoli applesauce, hopefully chocolate milk's in here. And then the penny rosa with feta cheese, Parmesan chicken, buttered noodles, a small macaroni and cheese, 2 snickerdoodle cookies. Like I said, I did this over the internet, and I love how they claim that everything's ready, right? But there's no chocolate milk in here. Anyways, y'all, they done forgot to give me the chocolate milk. So, of course, I had to go back in there and say something about that. And then I also did not get my 2 snickerdoodle cookies. I don't play about missing stuff in my meals, especially something that I paid for. So now that it's 3 o'clock, I still have like 35 minutes before I need to go get Cam. So I am going to try to hurry up and get to Food Line. And then get all of this stuff home. Okay, so much is like going on all on Monday. So let's just talk about this, right? So I've been like debating about making payments on a car, but I'm just like, nope, don't want to do it. I like my free money. So I like to, you know, get pre-owned cars and, you know, just like pay for them flat out, whatever the case may be. Anyway, so I get a call this afternoon because my car the other day was like, I don't know what it was doing, y'all. It just was doing some stuff. So what it was doing the other day was like acting like it was sliding on gravel that was in the work parking lot. And then of course it started just acting very funky and when I turned to back in. So when I go places, all I do is back in. I don't pull straight in because I want to, you know, leave, you know, I just want to be able like to get out better. But anyway, so my grandparents go and purchased a car for me. And now I have to go over and pick my grandfather up, go pick up this new car and drop it off back at my grandparents' house. So drive it over there because it has to be moved off the lot. So I'm very curious to see. You know, I'm thankful, you know, like I said, I need a car to get from A, B, C, D, and you know, like if I go out of town, that's when I do rental cars and stuff like that. But yeah. Okay, y'all, let's chit chat real quick. All right, so it is right now clearly 5:27, so 5:30. Y'all look at my head. Ooh. All right, so what I am gonna do, I'm getting off, let me turn this music off. I am getting off of 64 to get off at my house and go home. The back of the new car, just, I don't know, there was no tail lights on, but what's I gonna say? It's a car, I'm thankful. I'm appreciative, and you know, we teach our kids that all the time. You have to be appreciative of what you have. I think that, you know, like eventually, yeah, I would love to have, you know, like a brand new car or whatever, but you know, saving that money for like other things or whatever, eventually, yeah, I want a house. So we shall see. Now I have a gas can. I just thought about that. I have the gas can in the thing. in the back. Gotta put these windows back down. I'm going home to eat and eat some real good food before I catch another headache, y'all. Okay, I did everything I needed to do, all within the time frame that I had. So I went and got the food, got the cake, even made it like a minute or two before Cam's bus came. To pick him up. So it's not really what I asked for, but it is what it is. The printer was down and not working. So somehow I ended up with a double layer, which I really did not want. I want just a single layer. It started melting kind of like in the car. So same style as the cupcakes, and yeah, honestly, I only paid $13 for it because I had Food Line savings. So as of right now, let's get it set up and then get ready to head back out to grab her. All right, so we got the butter noodles with the broccoli, the cheese bread, and here's the sauce for those. Remember the snickerdoodle cookies I had to go back in for. Small mac and cheese. The hot stickers, as well as the other kids' butter noodles and broccoli. And then this is Charles's feta cheese parmesan roasted chili rosa. And here is the 2 drinks. And the funny thing about it is they had my order sitting up there and ready and did not put in the applesauces. So of course I'm gonna get ready to call and complain. All right, so the table is set. I'm gonna get ready to go get her, bring her back. I'm gonna put these in the refrigerator until then, that way they stay nice and cold. And yeah, the birthday girl's home.
Yeah, and I am so excited for all this.
She's tired, y'all. So she's in this program called what?
Girls on the Run.
And Girls on the Run, you guys do running.
We do running. Talking about what is our star power. If you guys do not know what that is, it's what we like to do. And my star power is I like to spend time with my family. And look at all this food on the table.
So, yep, they've already seen it. I've already recorded it.
My favorite dumplings. And my favorite dumplings.
They're actually pot stickers.
These?
Those are called pot stickers.
Oh, well.
I don't eat them, so Mom doesn't know what the difference is
Pot
of
stickers,
what is what.
Mac and cheese.
Yeah, and that's Dad's.
That's Dad's.
Okay.
We have these two for me and Cam. And then we have this. I don't know what this is.
That is marinara sauce,
And then we
basically.
have some bread. And
Okay.
then we have.
So overall, did you have a good birthday today?
Yeah, and then we have all these little decorations.
Okay, overall, did you have a good birthday today?
Huh?
Like Girls on the Run.
Yeah.
Yep. Go ahead. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Skylar. Happy birthday to you.
Wait.
Blow it out.
Did you make a wish? Oh, not too late.
She did.
I
She
did
closed
make
her
a
eyes.
Yeah.
Stop it! Stop!
That's a tradition, beautiful.
No!
That's a tradition.
Hey y'all, it's Thursday. I didn't get to really talk about like the food from last night, but I ended up having to call Noodles Company back again last night because they did not put in the butter noodles that I ordered. She was really nice enough to say like, hey, I'll refund you the whole order, which was like $50 to $60. My whole thing is like, I didn't need the money back. Like, we're enjoying the food. The problem is that my order was put up for ready and it was not really ready. It didn't include the butter noodles. It didn't have the 2 cookies. It didn't have the chocolate milk. It didn't have the applesauce. So overall, I got my money back for the 2 kids meals, which was clearly like about $12, $13. And then I ended up probably getting back another 7 or 8 for the butter noodles. So yeah, overall it was like almost $20 worth of stuff that clearly was not put in there. So whatever, but like I said, the other $30 worth of food we enjoyed, and I'm just, you know, grateful for that. So anyways, I'm dropping Cam off at the bus stop, heading back to work. Our new 3rd room kindergarten teacher starts today. And my other coworker, the other instructional assistant, called out. So it's just me, but I'm not letting it get to me like I did yesterday where I had a headache, and I feel like it was because I didn't have breakfast and I was running around to do everything under the sun. So yeah.